This is day 1 of knitting a raglan baby tee without a pattern, and I will be telling you exactly how many stitches I cast on and how I divided my raglan, but first we're gonna wind some yarn. This beautiful and super colorful yarn is by Koigu. It's a fingering weight and 100% hand-dyed wool, and it's also the newest yarn in my stash, and even though I have a long list of projects, I've been meaning to start with yarn that's been in my stash far longer. I couldn't resist immediately casting on a new project with this yarn because it's just too pretty. Once my yarn was wound, I cast on 108 stitches and joined in the round. Then I divided my raglan. I did 40 stitches for each long side and 10 stitches for each short side and 2 stitches between each section. And I ran out of proper stitch markers, so I used hair elastics instead. Also, I didn't take any measurements beforehand and just guessed that 108 stitches would be a good amount for the neckline / hole for my head to go through. But after seeing it on my needles, it looked pretty small. So after knitting a few rounds, I tried it on over my head and luckily it did fit. It was just looking a little deceiving. And now with my stitch markers placed, I started knitting my yoke and I did my raglan increases every other round. And since I'm using 3mm needles, I didn't get a whole lot done today, even though I spent the entire day working on this baby tee, but that's just what happens when you use itty bitty needles. Now come back for day 2.